So we try to do that. Okay, weight equal, yeah, EBL. And enter the weight in pounds. Yeah. Okay, and also we want to use it to provide the height. Yeah, and I want the user to provide the height in inches. Inches. Yeah. Inches. Yeah. And of course, we have to have a constant. Yeah, constant. Maybe we can say kilogram per pound. Okay, so capitalize kilograms. Okay, on the line per pound. Yeah, the number is, yeah, just like what I type. Yeah, and the other is meter per inch. Okay, per inch. Yeah, per inch. And it's equal 0.0254. Yeah. And then we will compute. We compute it. First, we will transfer. Okay. So weight in kilogram. Maybe I will use that. Weight in kilogram. Okay. Equal your weight multiply the constant. Yeah, we use the constant. Okay. And we also want you provide the height kilometer. Yeah, so we want the height to multiply the meter per inch here. Okay, so it's not kilometer, just meter, height in meter. Okay, then we compute the BMI. Yeah, BMI. Okay, the BMI will equal, the formula tell us, the formula here tell us we have to do some square, divided to weight and to the square. So back to here, we make the height divide to the weight. Yeah. Pay attention, do not, upside down, otherwise your answer will totally wrong. Yeah. Of course, if you write it, it will be totally correct because the power will do that first. But if you are not, confident, you can use the parentheses, make sure then which one will be the first one. And then we will do the if else. So if the BMI smaller than 80.5, then what is the point? We'll print it. But first we have to print the BMI. Print the BMI is, yeah, just like this. BMI, right? We use the comma. Yeah, and we will print the result. It is underweight. Underweight. Yes, and then else if when BMI, because when it is larger than 80.5, then we're going to this part. Then we will give the second stage. Yeah. So when you move into this part, but it's more than 25, then the result will be normal. Yeah. And then next part, Next part, we will just copy that part and change the number. Yeah, next number is 30. Yeah, why it is 30? You can see that. Yeah, because it's, you know, from here to here, so less than, so it's not no have any equation. So it means no any equation here is more than that part. So it will divide it by 80.5, 25, and 30. Yep. And the three numbers will have four parts. Yeah, divided the value into 4 parts. So this part is overweight. Yeah, you have to just follow what the instruction. Yeah. If it's small capitalize, you just small capitalize. Okay, just follow it. Okay, and then else, because no matter what it is, it's else. Print abuse. Yeah, abuse. Now we will put it BMI. And also they will provide us some instruction to do that. Maybe we will enter the pounds. You can find the suggestion values in your textbook. We just practice 146 pounds and the interest is 70. Yeah. So the BMI is totally wrong. Totally wrong. Why it is that way? I think maybe the result is upside down. Yeah. So we have to change it. The result is totally wrong. Yeah. So what's wrong? Let us see. Weight will change to here. The weight have to divide it to height. Yeah, that's what I'm doing wrong. So remind you, weight divided to height. One more time. 146 and 70. Okay, the answer is still wrong. Why is still wrong? Weight and height. Anything wrong? Okay, maybe the weight. The height is one maybe, okay, maybe I also upside down. Maybe this 70. No. Okay, so what's wrong? This must be some problem here. Kilometer. The height transfer into. Is there anything wrong? Kilometer. Weight multiply. Because we have a transfer, we have to use the words. We have to use the variable here. So it's a big mistake. Okay. Big mistake here. Yeah. You got me. Yeah. Yeah, I think this time will be correct. 70. Yeah, correct. The answer is normal, right? But actually, it's not satisfy our expectation because sometimes we don't like the financial, money things. We want the 2-digit. Yeah, we want 2-digit, but I want to show the result just, just like round. When it's larger than 5, that it will go into a next digit will, +1. Yeah, so I want the result is 20.94. 20.95, okay, 20.95, because I want this 8, because it's larger than 5, it will, make the digit plus 1. But actually, we do not change the BMI. We just show that. So today, I will introduce you another function, which is in the chapter 3. Then I told you before, then we will, extract some important information. So this is very important and will appear in your exam. So I hope you really practice this part. The BMI, we want just 2 digits. So, but the 2 digit is different from, no condition delete, just like finance, not money things. It's have the round. I mean, we want the 5 get into next digit, but under 5, then it will be removed. So we will put it like this. Format, BMI is what the variable we want to format, but we want it, please use the double quotation here, and here you can put point. Point means after the floating point, I want a 2-digit floating. So keep the point because it's a floating number, right? It's a floating number, and I want 2 digits after the floating point, period. Yeah, floating point. So it will show that. One more time. 70. And then this part, we will see the result. Because the result is 0.948, etc. Because we just want 2 digits, right? So you will reference as the 3rd digit and check whether it's larger than 5. If it's larger than 5, then you will make the next digit plus 1. Okay, but we will not change the BMI value. For example, we can print BMI here and let you check. The BMI value doesn't change at all. Yeah, the value doesn't change at all, but we can show that just 2 digits. So this kind of problem, format problem, will appear in your exam. Okay, so hope you practice this. Although I do not make it as an assignment, but I hope you really know how to use a format. Okay, and then we're going to next part. Yeah. So next time, I want to see you in the class. See you in the class next week. We will have the test 1. The content is from chapter 1, chapter 2. Chapter 1 means the class we talk about in the physical class, face-to-face, first class. And chapter 2 is last week. And chapter 4 today, we talk about until BMI. So this is the test 1 exam range, okay? Hope you can get a good grade. See you next week.